Welcome to Core Tech, where we break down the most exciting tech shaping the future. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro, a mouse designed for elite competitive gaming, refined precision, and professional-level performance. Razer has taken everything gamers loved about the Viper lineup and pushed it even further with this latest evolution. Design philosophy and build quality. The 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro continues Razer's minimalist esports-focused design. It features an ultra-lightweight shell engineered for long competitive sessions without fatigue. The smooth matte finish improves grip consistency, while the symmetrical shape caters to claw and fingertip grip users. Every curve feels deliberate, prioritizing speed, balance, and comfort over flashy aesthetics. Next-gen sensor performance. At the heart of the 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro is Razer's latest optical sensor, delivering industry-leading DPI accuracy and flawless tracking. Even during rapid flicks and micro-adjustments, the sensor remains pixel-perfect. This level of precision makes the mouse ideal for fast-paced FPS titles where reaction time and accuracy can define victory or defeat. Wireless technology and latency. Razer has further refined its hyperspeed wireless technology in the 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro, offering near-zero latency performance that rivals wired mice. Connectivity remains stable even in crowded wireless environments, ensuring consistent response during tournaments. Gamers get total freedom of movement without compromising reliability or speed. Clicks, switches, and responsiveness. The 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro features next-generation optical switches built for speed and durability. Each click feels crisp and immediate, eliminating debounce delay entirely. These switches are rated for extreme longevity, making the mouse dependable for both daily gaming and professional esports use. Battery life and charging efficiency. Despite its lightweight build, the 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro delivers impressive battery life. Optimized power management allows for extended playtime on a single charge, reducing downtime between sessions. Fast charging support ensures that even a short recharge can provide hours of competitive gameplay. Software customization with Synapse. Razer Synapse unlocks full customization for the 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro. Users can fine-tune DPI stages, polling rates, lift-off distance, and button assignments. Profiles can be saved directly to the mouse, making it tournament-ready without relying on external software during live events. Competitive edge in esports. Built with professional players in mind, the 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro excels in competitive environments. Its lightweight design, flawless sensor tracking, and ultra-fast wireless response create a performance-focused tool trusted by esports athletes. Every feature is engineered to eliminate distractions and maximize precision under pressure. Final verdict. The 2026 Razer Viper V3 Pro stands as one of the most refined esports mice ever created. It doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, instead, it perfects it. For competitive gamers seeking speed, accuracy, and reliability at the highest level, this mouse delivers exactly what matters. From casual ranked matches to professional tournaments, the Viper V3 Pro proves why Razer continues to dominate the esports hardware space.